Hi everyone, good morning, good to see you again. I'm actually at the fabric fiber factory. Well, if you look at the title, it says, yeah, it's going to be a three-corner fight this morning. I want to show you the difference between a stock S2 versus an S2 with body kits, alright? So this video is really to help all of you who are new to the Lotus family and you want to upgrade the looks of your Lotus Elise S2. Also for those of you who are in the market to look for a Lotus S2 and you want to know some differences, okay? So this is what I'm going to help you out, right? So let's take a quick look. I'm going to switch the camera view right now. So these are the three models that I'm talking about, alright? Here we've got a standard S2 that's been upgraded in the body kit, which I'm going to show you in a short while and explain to you. This is a very special Lotus S2 Exige that has been upgraded actually in terms of performance. It has got Olin suspension, it has got AP racing brakes, and the engine has been upgraded with a lightened flywheel and a racing clutch, and it's running on its own new ECU with a new map. And this car actually is running at 260 horsepower on the wheel actually. Okay, so but I'm going to show you the body kit as later on. And we have got a standard S2 over here. Alright, so it's a three-corner fight. Let me explain to you the difference in terms of upgrading its looks. So if you look at this standard S2, it has got no body kit, right? So no rear wing, no side skirt, and there's of course the clamp is being removed over here already. There is no flange splitter. Okay, those will be a standard looking S2. So one of the quick things that you can upgrade into your Lotus S2 is really the body kit. Okay, first of all, the side scope here, then you can upgrade it into the Exige, and this one is carbon fiber. The side skirt, which you can upgrade to the looks of the Lotus Exige, and then the rear wing. This is the version 2 of a Lotus Exige rear wing. The original one has got two mounting at the center. Well, you can still see it. This one was a version 2. Can you see? Yeah, the original placement is still there. This is the version 2 that you can easily upgrade. And of course at the front you would be able to upgrade it into the flange splitter. This is the Lotus S2 Exige front splitter. It looks a little different. Okay, the angle is different. It's because the front clamp is wider than the normal S2. Alright, but what's more beautiful actually is what you can upgrade into the Cup version onto your S2. This is the Cup version body kit. Okay, and it looks beautiful. Okay, so let me start with the side skirt. Again, this is carbon fiber, which is even nicer. Look at the side skirt, different, right? This sticks after the Cup version of the Lotus Elise S3. Okay, so look at the front splitter. It's also very nice. This is also carbon fiber. Okay, this takes after the S3 Cup version. And finally, but not least, look at the rear GT wing. This is the Lotus Elise S3 Cup version wing. Looks so much better, right? Okay, so these are some of the quick upgrades that you can do for a standard stock S2 Elise. Okay, and if you like to change the looks of your Lotus Elise, this will be it. Easily done. Alright, but besides the aesthetic look, please remember that Lotus has done all the research and every body kit here is functional. Alright, there is a purpose for it, to create downforce, to reduce drag, and definitely improves the performance of your car. Alright, so quick upgrade actually, and in fact to me it's a nice upgrade for you to consider. Alright, that's all for me. Bye bye, see you for the next one.